You won't believe what I have in store for you today. We're diving headfirst into the fascinating world of robots, and I've got some incredible tech to showcase. Whether you're a young budding coder or just someone looking for the coolest gadgets out there, I've got something for you.
Robot number 1, MTINY. First up, meet the pint-sized wonder, the MTINY robot for kids. This innovative and educational robotic toy is your child's ticket to exploring the exciting world of robotics and programming. It's not just educational, it's a whole lot of fun. Small, adorable, and perfect for young learners. Simplified programming with block-based coding. It's like building with virtual Lego. Fosters critical thinking and a deeper understanding of technology and robotics. Unleashes creativity, kids can customize and decorate their own robots. Is this not the coolest way to get your kids started on the path to STEM greatness? Imagine the endless possibilities.
Robot number 2, M.A.R.K. Now, let's talk about M.A.R.K, Make a Robot Kit. This isn't just any kit, it's the gateway to your child's dreams of creating their very own robots. Yes, you heard that right, robots. Comes with all the essential components to build a robot. Add a grabber attachment and treat your pet, or yourself. It's versatile. Recognizes faces with depth scanning and even has a harmless slingshot for fun. Educates kids in robotics, coding, and programming, the fun way. With graphical programming, kids can dive into the world of autonomous driving and automated logistics. But wait, there's more. You can even use MicroPython to make it recognize anything you want. But here's the real kicker, your child can redesign and enhance M.A.R.K to have epic battles with friends. It's the ultimate playground of imagination and education.
Robot number 3, MISA. Next up, we have MISA, Mechademic's Industrial Smart Assistant. This compact and versatile robot is changing the game in industrial and laboratory applications. It's not just an assistant, it's a learning partner and a playmate for your kids. Small, precise, and perfect for confined spaces. Can hear, talk, and navigate around your home. Offers exceptional precision and safety features like collision detection. Handles a wide range of tasks, from assembly to sample handling. This robot is the future of automation, paving the way for precision and repeatability in industrial and laboratory settings. Plus, your kids can have their very own learning partner and playmate. It's a win-win.
Robot number 4, CODI. Okay, folks, it's time to meet CODI. CODI is an interactive educational robot designed to make learning fun. It's like having a tutor that's always ready to teach and play. Engages kids with educational activities through conversation, questions, and games. Voice recognition technology for natural conversations and responses. Offers a wide range of educational content and keeps kids entertained. Designed for children with a child-friendly and durable build. CODI's specialty lies in combining education and entertainment seamlessly. It makes learning enjoyable, encourages kids to ask questions, and explores various subjects in a playful and interactive way.
And now, drumroll, please. Robot number 5, Robosen T9. Get ready to be blown away by the Robosen T9. It's the ultimate programmable and convertible robot that's here to redefine fun and education. Program custom movements and sequences with ease. Transform into different forms, it's like having multiple robots in one. Responds to gestures and voice commands for an interactive experience. Offers high-quality build, articulated joints, and versatility. Whether you're into coding or just pure fun, the T9's got you covered. And that's not all, you can program it, control it through an app, and even engage in epic robot battles with your friends. The possibilities are endless.
Robot number 6, Botley. We've got Botley. It's the perfect companion for kids getting started with coding and programming. This cute robot is all about hands-on learning and play-based education. Introduces coding to kids as young as 5 years old. Screen-free learning with a tactile, interactive approach. Teaches problem-solving through obstacle avoidance. Comes with coding challenges and games that progress in complexity. Botley's child-friendly design and durability make it the perfect tool to prepare your child for the digital world while laying a strong foundation for future tech and computer science learning.
Robot number 7, Lucy. Have you ever wanted to build your own robot and program it to do cool things? Well, today I want to introduce you to Lucy, the obstacle-avoiding Arduino robot. Lucy is the number 3 robot. Lucy is not your ordinary robot. It's equipped with advanced sensors that allow it to detect objects and avoid obstacles in its path. And the best part? You can program Lucy to do just about anything you want by simply putting the code in the Arduino. And the more you play with Lucy, the more you'll learn about coding and robotics. Who knows, you might even become a robotics engineer someday and make even better robots than Boston Dynamics. So if you're ready to take on the exciting world of robotics, get your hands on Lucy today. Join Moonpreneur's free trial class to learn how to build more exciting robot cars like Lucy and get an Arduino for free. Link in description.
And there you have it, folks, an incredible lineup of robots to ignite your curiosity, creativity, and coding skills. So, whether you're a young coder or a seasoned tech enthusiast, these robots are here to make your learning journey exciting and fun. So which one's your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want more details about any of these fantastic robots, check the links in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting tech updates. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video.